Today we're gonna draw more Toy Story characters. We're gonna draw Jessie and Bullseye.
Cool. What else?
Oh, I'll tell you later. Okay, so let's start with Jessie, okay? She is Woody's friend. She's a cowgirl.
He's a cowboy.
She's a cowgirl.
And Woody.
Okay. We're gonna start with her eyes. Can you stop hitting the table? I'm gonna start here, near the middle. 2 circles, just like Woody. Okay. And we're gonna draw the inside of her eye. It's a big black circle. Draw her nose. She's got an oval shaped smile. She's very excited.
Excited what?
I don't know, to play with all the other toys. Okay. Draw her eyebrows. Okay, we're gonna draw her face. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. Let's start from the side of the eyebrow. You wanna take a look? You see where the okay? See, look at mine first. Okay. We'll stop at the bottom of the chin here. Okay. So we're gonna start. We're gonna draw the other side. Same thing. Okay. Take a look. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to draw her hair. Okay, pay attention. This is going to go to the side of her eye here. So we're going to do this. Same thing on the other side. And we're going to draw her ear. Okay, now we're going to draw her cowboy hat. It's going to go from here around, goes to her hair, ear. And the same thing on this side. And we're going to draw the top of the cowboy hat. I'm going to draw her neck. This. I'm going to draw her body. And this, there's a wavy line here. Design of the shirt. She has 2 buttons here. Okay, 2, not too big. 2 buttons here. Okay, then we're going to draw the bottom half of her shirt. Like this. Okay, and then that's going to connect one curved line here. And then she's got a belt. Just like Woody, with the oval in the middle. And her pants is a little bit different from Woody's, okay? So we're gonna draw her pants. It's 2 parts. Part 1, 2 rectangles, okay? And the second part is different design, okay? So we're gonna do a long rectangle like this. And then we'll draw her boots here. And then the pants here have black spots, patterns, okay? So they're like cowboy patterns. Like a black and white cow, okay? I'm gonna draw her arms. So she's got her arms on her waist, kind of like
Buzz Lightyear's?
Buzz Lightyear's, yep. So arms, she's wearing gloves. So we're gonna draw a glove here, okay?
An eraser, please.
Okay. Then we're gonna finish. The finishing touch is her ponytail. Okay, so we're gonna draw a ponytail here. We're gonna do one segment like this. Then we're gonna draw a bow. Okay, so we're gonna do. She has a bow on her ponytail. Then we're gonna draw the second part of her ponytail here. Okay.
Can we do this like this?
Oh no, it's just a simple one, simple bow. Okay. All right, so that's Jessie, and now we're gonna draw
Bullseye. My favorite character, Jessie and Bullseye.
All right, so for Bullseye, we're gonna start with his eye. Okay, so near the middle here, one big eyeball. So we're gonna draw just one side of his face. So there's only one eyeball. Okay, this is not the front of his face. This is the left side of his face, okay?
The side.
The side, exactly. So this is his eyelid. So I'm gonna do eyelid. Half, like a moon, yeah. And then we're gonna draw his black part of his eyeball, okay? Are you okay over there? What are you doing?
I'm just pulling my belt.
Okay.
So it's a little knot.
The eyebrow. And then we're gonna draw his head up here. And okay, then we're gonna draw his ear. Okay, it looks like a little like a leaf.
I know what you're talking about. Like that.
And then we're gonna draw his neck. So his head will come down like this. Stop here, okay? Just past his eye. We're gonna stop here. Then we're gonna draw his other ear. The other side, okay? And that's gonna come down to his nose, okay? So we're gonna come down. Stop there. Very good, very good, very good. And from there, we're gonna draw his face. So take a look at this, okay, Charlotte? So we're gonna do a curve circle here. To the right. I'm gonna come back out. There's a little bump here. Bump. The bump is his nose, okay? And then over here is his other nose.
He has two noses?
Two nostrils, just like you, right? You have two nostrils, okay? Little circle there. He's got a little smile. And then we're going to draw the bottom of his neck here. So we're gonna go here, go up, and then it's gonna curve to here. Okay, and we're gonna draw the rest of his neck here. Okay, watch. This is gonna be a line down here. Okay, and then this is his back, and we're gonna have a saddle on here. Okay, saddle is that seat that Woody sits on, right? Or Jessie sits on, like a U shape.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about.
So it's up here, up here.
It's like what's on my horse.
Yes, exactly.
My toy horse.
Yes, on your horse. So you're gonna draw. It's like a U shape. Go down. Yeah, so that connects.
And
so that part is a U.
curve.
Very good. Go back up to where the same. Yep.
And do
And
a
then
little
curve.
twitch.
Yep. And then you draw a line there. Okay. So this is gonna be a line here. Watch.
And draw like this.
So that's exactly. So make sure that curves over and connects. Okay?
I know what you're talking about.
I know.
It's like it's a small little flat cushion that you sit on a horse or a cow.
Yes. It's a horse. It's a seat for the horse. So you need to connect here. Okay. Very good. So that just is a little short line. Stop. Okay. And then that's gonna come down to his butt. Come down to his leg. I mean. Okay. Stop. Very good. Ah. Okay. So that's gonna be his leg. So one leg. And go back up. Okay. We're gonna draw the bottom part of the saddle. Okay. So that's gonna be like this. Good. And then there's a rectangle here. And then one more rectangle, okay? This is where you put your foot.
Oh, I think it's a little band for your foot.
It's like a hoop that you, yep.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. It's like a foot connector or something.
Yeah, so from here we're gonna draw the other back leg. Okay.
That you just put your leg there.
And then we're gonna draw his other leg, which is right here. And horses have hoofs, right? So here's a hoof, okay? Like horseshoes.
Is it like what Waffle and Sesame have?
Different. These are harder. Okay, and then we're gonna draw his hair on his head, okay? So you got hair coming out here, hair coming up here, hair coming up here. Okay, goes to his ear. And the mane actually comes back over here. And then comes down here. And connects to the bottom of his neck. And then, yep, okay, and then we got his tail. Okay.
I'm going to do like this and this.
Okay.
I'm going to do like this.
Okay, so you got, okay, that's good. Okay, not too big, okay? Okay, that's good.
I'm
Alright, so
going to do
that's...
some little zigs at the end.
So that's Jessie and Bullseye. Now we're going to color them, okay?